Hello students, we are given two nested fractions and asked to simplify them. If you look at the components, the component fractions of both the nested fractions, they are all the same. But there is a difference in where the major fractional bar is present. Okay, the major fractional bar is present in two different places in each of these nested fractions. And this major fractional bar acts as a grouping symbol. Okay, so this is the numerator and this is the denominator for the first fraction. So what this means is I have to first solve the denominator and compute the result and then divide this numerator by this result. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. So let me solve the bottom part first. So I have 2 square divided by 3 raised to the power 4. Now I'm going to bring this denominator to the top, which means I'll have to flip the sign of the exponents. So I will have 2 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 3. Now, since the bases are same in the numerator and the denominator, I can apply the um, product of powers rule. So I will have 2 raised to the power 2 minus 1 divided by 3 raised to the power 4 minus 3. I'm just adding the exponents, which gives me 2 divided by 3. Okay, so this result is 2 by 3. So now I'm going to divide this topmost fraction, which forms the numerator of this nested fraction, by 2 by 3. Instead, what I'll do is I'll multiply by 2 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 1. So this is going to give me 2 raised to the power 2 square divided by 3 raised to the power 1 after adding the relevant exponents. So this gives me 4 by 3 as the answer. Now let's move on to the second nested fraction. As I've already said, the components, the component fractions of this second nested fraction are similar to the component fractions in the first nested fraction. Only thing is, this major fraction bar, which indicates grouping, is placed at a different place. So now what I'll have to do is first compute this numerator and then divide it by this denominator. So let me go ahead and do it. So I have 2 cube by 3 square into 2 raised to the power minus 2 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 4. This is going to give me 2 raised to the power 1, adding up the two exponents, 3 and minus 2, divided by 3 raised to the power minus 2 by adding up 2 and minus 4. So this is going to give me 2 into 3 square. Okay. And I'll just hold it as it is. Okay. Because I have a denominator where I have 2's and 3's as bases. So I'll hold the result as it is. Now I will divide this by the denominator, which is 2 by 3 cube. And I can rewrite it as 2 into 3 square into 2 raised to the power minus 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 3. So which means I can rewrite it as, now I have a 1 here. So these two will cancel. It will give me 2 raised to the power 0, which is 1. So I will have a 1 into 3 square divided by 3 raised to the power minus 3, which is going to give me 3 square into 3 cube, which is going to give me 3 raised to the power 5. So that value can be computed, and it is 243. I hope this is clear now. If you have any questions or doubts, you can always ask it in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer you.